Good morning, dear children. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School, welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Do anyone have pet in your house? Yes? Some may have parrot as a pet which speaks and likes to eat chilies. Some may have cat who likes to drink milk and eat fish. Some like to keep colorful fish in the fish tank. Some likes to keep as a pet tortoise, rabbit, etc. But the most faithful pet among all the pet is the dog. Dog is very faithful towards his master. He always obey and love the masters. It always take care of his master. So that we are going to learn from this story about friendship between animals and humans. A deep relation between a pet and us is shown from this lesson number 2, Tommy is lost. So let's read the lesson. Once there was a boy. His name was Joy. Joy had a dog. The dog's name was Tommy. Joy liked Tommy very much. Joy said, "Come, Tommy, let's go for a walk." See here. There was one boy. His name was Joy. What was his name? Yes, Joy. Joy had a dog. So here is the boy named Joy has a dog. The dog's name was Tommy. What is the name of a dog? Yes, Tommy. Joy said, "Come, Tommy, let's go for a walk." So Tommy and Joy went for a walk. It is very hot. How they were feeling? Yes, they were feeling hot. We will go to the pond. They went to the pond because they were feeling hot. Joy and Tommy began to walk. They both were walking towards the pond. The pond was inside a forest. So what happened next? What did the Tommy saw? Yes, he saw a fox passing by the jungle. Tommy ran after the fox. After seeing the fox, Tommy started running behind the fox. "Stop, Tommy, stop," shouted Joy. Joy started shouting behind Tommy that don't go. Tommy stopped, but Tommy did not stop. But did Tommy stop? No, he did not stop. Then what happened? Joy ran after Tommy, but he could not catch Tommy. Did Joy able to catch Tommy? No. "Oh, Tommy is lost," cried Joy. So now Joy was upset as Tommy is lost. Even after running behind him, Joy sat on a stone and sobbed. So now as Joy was sad, he sat on a stone and started crying. "Tommy is gone and I am lost." Now Joy realized that not only Tommy is gone, but he himself is also lost. "What will I do?" he cried. Now he was thinking, "What will I do now? How can I reach home?" Then Joy saw Tommy coming back soon. While he was sitting on a stone and crying, he saw Tommy coming back towards him. Joy hugged Tommy and cried in joy. So what did Joy do? Yes, he hugged Tommy as soon as he saw him and he cried. But this time he was crying in joy because he met Tommy again. "I am still lost, but I have you," he said. Joy said that "I am still lost as I don't know the way to return back to home, but I am happy because I have you with me." Joy said, "Don't worry." Tommy said, "Don't worry, Joy. I know the way," said Tommy. So what did Tommy says? He says that, "You don't worry, I know the way of our house. We will go." They started walking back to home and Tommy and Joy reached home safely. So they both reached home safely with each other. So, from this lesson, we learned that if we show love and affection towards animals, they also shows the same love and affection towards us. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.